So I have given the formula for median. Then let us start exercise 14.3. Question number 1. Here given the following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of a locality. Find the median, mean and mode of the data and compare them. So you see that mean and mode of this easy data that you can find it. So I will show only that median. How to find that median? Okay, that median, how to find this, and to find the median, two things you have to remember, that the class interval should be continuous. Class interval, if it is not continuous, means it is given in discontinuous, then we have to make it to continuous class interval. And then number 2, we have to make the table, means one extra column we have to make, that is the CF, means the cumulative frequency. CF means the cumulative frequency, that you know how to find that cumulative frequency. Here I will discuss. So here you see the table, I have drawn the table here, that monthly consumption means class interval. Okay, that the number of consumer means the frequency. Okay, here you can write class interval, this is frequency. Now that CF means the cumulative frequency, how to find it? This is very important. That first frequency will write same. First one will not be changed, the first one whatever that same. Then you see that 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. So that 9 will write just below this number. Then 4 plus 5 plus 13, or 9 plus 13 is how much? 22. Okay, 4 plus 5 plus 13 is 22. Next, 4 plus 5 plus 13 plus 20, or 22 plus 20 is 42. Okay, then next, up to 14 plus or 42 plus 14 is that 56. 56 plus 8 is 64. 64 plus 4 is 68. Okay, this is the CF is easy. Then here total of frequency we need to find, it is given that 68. Don't find the total of CF. No need to find the total of CF. Now one thing you will observe, here total of frequency is 68. Then the last one CF should be 68. If here the total of frequency is 68, then in CF the last one CF is 68. Yes, here that CF are two types. It is in increasing order, so it is called the less than type. Less than type. If it is in increasing order, then it is less than type. Another type will be if it is decreasing order, then it is more than type. So it is less than type of CF. Then the last one, the CF and the total of frequency should be same. If different, then it is wrong. Either your total will be wrong or that CF part is wrong. So here it is table completed. Okay, then we will find the median class. Median class, how to find the median class? How to find the median class here? And its total of frequency how much? 68. Then we will find that n by 2 immediately, 68 by 2, not divided by any other term. It is should be divided by 2, and it is 34. Okay, we got n by 2 is 34. Then this n by 2 value 34 we have to observe in CF is present or not. Here you see 34 is not present. If 34 present, then the class interval of 34, that will be the median class directly. But here 34 is not present in the CF part. Then the CF greater than 34. Here you see 42, 56, 64, 68, all are greater than 34. Then which one will be selected? Here it is saying just greater than 34. Okay, these things you have to remember. If directly 34 is not present, then we will take just greater than 34. And here it is clear that just greater than 34 is 42. Okay, it is 42. So then 42, this line you can mark it that it is that and that class interval just okay respective to that that 42 is 125 to 145, mean this is the median class. This is the median class. So it is the process to find the median class. I think you understood that n by 2 34. Here just greater than in CF, not F. Just greater than 34 is 42, and the respective class interval 125 to 145. So this is the median class. So therefore we can write that median class. So median class is 125 to 145. This is the median class. So if we got the median class, then we find the terms L, the lower limit of the median class. Then age, here it is clear that age is 20. Okay, n by 2 we got. Then frequency of the median class. You see, we have given this mark rounded, and in this round, whatever the frequency, that is mean whatever the frequency in this line, that is 20. That is 20. Don't say here that highest frequency is that it is F. No, that frequency of the median class. Is it clear? Either smaller or greater, so that it may be, but frequency of the median class it is F. Then CF. So CF, don't take 42, it is the CF. I said that CF just before that median class. So here that CF down by 42. Here CF will be 22, just before the median class. So CF is 22. Is that clear? So this part should be clear. Now see, we got L, H, F and CF. All the terms we got it. So therefore that median. So median equal to, you know, that L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay. Now L is 125 plus n by 2 we got 34. CF is 22. F is 20 and H is 20. Okay, so we put this value. So 125 plus this 20 and 20 can cancel. So it can cancel also. So it is 2 and it is 1. So it is 7. 137. Okay, 137 is the answer. Median is the 137. But you see, median we got 137. How will I write the answer? Simplification is very easy. If these are correct, we will get the answer. Then what is the median? How will interpret the answer? How will write that? Here it is given actually that the monthly consumption, and we know that median means the middlemost value. Median means the middlemost value. Means what? Here that 50% of the consumer, they are using that 137. More than 50, less than means less than 50% consumer that their monthly consumption of the unit is 137 unit. Okay, and that remaining that 50% more than 137. So that 50% consumer they consume that electricity is less than 137 unit, and that 50% consumer they consume that electricity is more than 137 unit. So this is the interpretation of the answer. Is that clear? So this is the answer. Then mean and mode part, you will find you can find it easily before that exercise 14.1, 14.2 by any method. Question number 2 here. Actually, in this exercise, 2-3 type of questions are there. So number 2 here it is given that median is given 28.5. Find the values of x and y. Means we are missing some frequencies are missing. We have to find the missing frequency, and missing frequency it may be 1 or it may be 2. So this is also important question. So in this exercise, yes, 2-3 type of questions are there. So next day I will start question number 2. Okay. So you practice that. Next day I will finish this exercise. Only 2-3 math is left. Number 2 is the missing frequency, and number 3 if I solve, then others number 4, 5, 6, 7 all will be same statement question to find the median. So today this much. Thank you.